Imagine capturing every unforgettable moment from your direct perspective without ever needing to hold a bulky handheld device. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 options for the best camera glasses to elevate your content creation and daily productivity. From ultra-high-definition first-person video recording to hands-free voice calling and built-in artificial intelligence assistants, these smart frames seamlessly combine stylish eyewear with cutting-edge wearable technology. You can find all the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Taking the first spot on our list is the EarlySincere Artificial Intelligence Smart Glasses. Designed as a 7-in-1 wearable hub, this lightweight 42-gram frame is built from durable thermoplastic material to comfortably balance technology on your face. The integrated camera features an 8-megapixel sensor capable of capturing stabilized, ultra-high-definition video from a first-person point of view. Built-in electronic image stabilization ensures footage remains steady, whether recording horizontally or vertically for mobile sharing. Transferring files from 32 gigabytes of built-in storage is effortless thanks to high-speed wireless fidelity synchronization through the companion mobile application. Beyond visual capture, these glasses excel at seamless communication and everyday productivity. Powered by generative, pre-trained transformer artificial intelligence, the device acts as a personal secretary that transcribes speech, generates meeting summaries, and translates over 100 languages in real time. You can also utilize voice commands or visual recognition to identify landmarks and menus instantly. Audio performance is equally impressive, with open-ear speakers delivering rich stereo sound while maintaining environmental awareness. Dual microphone environmental noise cancellation filters out background distractions for clear hands-free voice calls over a stable Bluetooth 5.4 connection. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery delivers up to 12 hours of continuous music or talk time, while the interchangeable adaptive photochromic and anti-blue light lenses protect your eyesight throughout the day. Combining classic iconic eyewear aesthetics with modern wearable capability, this stylish frame allows you to capture hands-free memories while remaining fully engaged in your surroundings. The integrated ultra-wide 12-megapixel camera records high-definition videos in 3600-pixel ultra-high-definition resolution for up to 3 minutes per clip. Embedded open-ear speakers produce rich audio quality for your favorite music playlists and podcasts without obstructing background noise or daily conversations. Voice-activated assistance is handled by built-in artificial intelligence, letting you ask questions, identify physical objects, and receive real-time translation across multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, Italian, German, and Portuguese, without needing a wireless fidelity network connection. Powerful microphone arrays block out 90% of street sounds and wind interference, so your phone calls, text messages, and remote meetings sound crisp and natural. You also maintain total privacy over your personal data with accessible voice toggles and customizable mobile application security controls. The internal battery lasts up to 8 continuous hours on a single charge, while the companion protective charging case stores 48 additional hours of reserve power to keep you completely powered throughout your travels. Next on our list is the Plunthorn Artificial Intelligence Smart Glasses. Built on the versatile Android operating system, this modern rectangular frame is designed to streamline your daily workflow and outdoor adventures through powerful wearable technology. The front-facing optical sensor captures sharp, detailed footage in 4,000-pixel ultra-high-definition resolution, making it an exceptional tool for documenting travel expeditions, first-person visual perspectives, and everyday spontaneous moments. To maintain complete situational awareness during daily commutes or outdoor cycling, the frame incorporates open-ear acoustic speakers that deliver crisp music playback and transparent audio without obstructing ambient environmental noise. High-definition internal microphones pair seamlessly with Bluetooth wireless connectivity to ensure crystal-clear, hands-free telephone conversations wherever you travel. The integrated artificial intelligence software brings seamless real-time translation and direct conversational assistance right to your ears, helping you navigate foreign languages during international conferences or overseas vacations effortlessly. Through the dedicated companion smartphone mobile application, you can manage recorded video files, adjust system preferences, and utilize real-time visual object recognition to instantly identify physical items and enhance personal productivity. With an Ingress Protection 65 dust-proof and waterproof rating, the durable structure resists rain showers, sweat, and particle debris, while the internal 290 mAh lithium polymer rechargeable battery supplies dependable power all day long. At number 4, the Bapick Artificial Intelligence Smart Glasses. Designed in a modern oval silhouette compatible with both Android Wear and Apple mobile operating systems, this stylish eyewear offers comprehensive multimedia capabilities for active lifestyles. The integrated optical unit features an 8-megapixel high-definition camera with multi-frame noise reduction, allowing you to snap high-resolution 32-megapixel still photographs or capture smooth 30 frames per second footage stabilized by advanced anti-shake algorithms. With 32 gigabytes of internal storage, you have ample space to record travel vlogs, family milestones, or sports sessions, and you can quickly export files to your smartphone using wireless fidelity or Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. The audio setup incorporates 4 high-fidelity speakers embedded directly into the temple arms, producing immersive stereo sound through an open-ear design that keeps you safely aware of ambient traffic or nature. Dual microphone environmental noise cancellation effectively filters out harsh background sounds, providing exceptionally clear voice quality during hands-free phone calls. Built-in conversational intelligence brings voice-activated digital assistance to your daily routine, letting you receive weather updates, request real-time assistance, or visually scan physical objects and restaurant menus on the spot. The translation software supports 139 languages for seamless cross-cultural communication during international business trips. Equipped with polarized sunglass lenses and anti-blue light clear lenses, this lightweight device protects your eyes across all lighting conditions, while the 300 mAh lithium-ion battery provides 10 hours of audio playback or 80 minutes of continuous video capture. Number 5. Osawalla Artificial Intelligence Smart Glasses. Weighing just 40.8 grams, this lightweight rectangular frame is constructed from premium thermoplastic and durable materials to eliminate nose pressure during extended daily wear. The integrated 8-megapixel optical camera records 1080-pixel high-definition video with dedicated anti-shake algorithms for steady, clear visual results. It supports customizable capture intervals ranging from 15 seconds up to 12 minutes, letting you effortlessly document family moments, scenic road trips, and outdoor adventures completely hands-free. 32 gigabytes of onboard memory store all your multimedia files, while the combination of low-power Bluetooth 5.4 and wireless fidelity connectivity enables rapid automatic synchronization to your Apple or Android smartphone. Beyond capturing visual content, these glasses incorporate advanced artificial intelligence voice assistants capable of translating over 139 languages in real time. The camera also supports visual recognition to instantly identify physical objects, plant species, and foreign restaurant menus on the spot. For crystal-clear phone conversations, dual microphone environmental noise cancellation effectively filters out surrounding background interference during commutes or busy office hours. Intuitive temple touch controls let you manage playback volume, answer incoming calls, and trigger digital voice commands with simple gestures. With an ingress protection 65 splash-resistant design, adaptive photochromic lenses that automatically tint under ultraviolet sunlight, and a 290 mAh lithium polymer battery providing 7 hours of audio playback, this earwear is a versatile daily companion.